Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang. We're talking about that generation from year 2015 to year 2023. If you need to find where the fuses, guys, for the oxygen sensors are located, stay with us. We're going to explain that in this video today. Where to buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So here we'll demonstrate on a 5.0 engine GT. Now, even if you have the EcoBoost, it will work as well. Let's explain what we have here specifically, guys. This is the fuse box that we need on the front left side. Click right here, press here to open the fuse box. On the back side you have the fuse numbers and the relays printed here. That will be just the numbers. Unfortunately, they don't tell you what it's for, but it corresponds to that layout here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here, guys, okay, if you see right here, you see that fuse block, okay, corresponds to what we have here. Now that fuse is not, if you check the menu, it doesn't say oxygen sensors, but one of the functions is for the oxygen sensor. Just Ford calls it a power fuse. And if you come right here, 3840, that fuse number 40, that will be the second fuse on the right side, that 20 amp fuse. Okay, that's the one that we'll need to check for the oxygen sensors. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.